Indeed, on the local job sites in your respective country. But I think the best one is the e-financial career. If you just do a Google search e-financial career, you can find this one. So yeah, I've done that. Let's go to this website. Okay, you have this e-financial career. It's quite popular actually in the UK and in the US as well among quants and risk management people, and also other people in the financial service industry. But yeah, quite popular among risk professionals, modeling professionals. So yeah, so this is a wonderful website. You can search by place. For example, if I want jobs in London, I just select London. Okay. Similarly, you can search terms like, for example, you can search for credit risk or market risk, credit modeling, um, something like that. Here you see all the jobs related to credit risk modeling in London. You can find them. Yeah. Similarly, if you want to find in the US, you can select location for US. Want to find in Frankfurt, just select. You want to find in Mumbai, you can also select Mumbai, for example. Let me see. Okay, let's just use India instead of Mumbai. Yes, you can see Morgan Stanley, Mumbai, BlackRock, Gurgaon, right? So this is just one place where you can find all the quant, risk, even other finance related jobs. Um, you can also take subscription. For example, they have paid subscription you can take if you want to get more selected opportunities which are only advertised to the paid customers, not to the normal people. So unlike yeah, so and they have also very good blogs, you know. On other job sites, you will not find blogs related to career in risk management, career in career in data science and finance and banking. This is a very niche area. You will not find blogs, very good blogs on jobs and career and interviews of people working in these areas elsewhere. Not on LinkedIn, not on other job sites, but on eFinancial Careers, you will find amazing content. So you can also find here. Another good thing is that if you want to move your country, you want to go to different place, you want to work in Dubai or London or Hong Kong, Singapore, you want to, you know, find a job in a country other than your own country. This is also an amazing place, especially if you're working in financial service industry or fintechs or insurance and that kind of sector. Okay. There are other options also. For example, you can select salary range. Obviously, not every job uh, discloses the salary that is going to be provided, but you can also select that. Some uh, jobs actually do provide this information. So that's what, yeah. Then you have employment type, and not just risk related jobs. You can also find a lot of the tech jobs. For example, you want to be a Python developer in quantitative research area, right? So that kind of job also you can find here. You want to be a consultant for a big four consulting firm, working for risk management or regulations. So those jobs also you can find here. So it's a job site dedicated for financial career in financial service industry. So it's broad. It has all kinds of jobs, but in particular, if you're looking for quant or data science in finance and banking in those areas, then this is a very good website in my view. And I highly recommend reading these blogs about uh, career blogs on this site. They are amazing.